Welcome to the course Open RAN and Private 4G 5G Networks. In this course, you will mainly learn two things. Learn the Open RAN concepts, architectures, and interfaces and the details related to them. And the second is to learn how to build 4G and 5G networks using open source Open RAN software and general purpose COTS hardware. So, if you want to prepare yourself to build practical and fully open telecom equipment, software programs, and end-to-end 4G, 5G systems, alternative and competitive to those produced by the conventional telecom companies such as Nokia, Huawei, Samsung, ERICSSON, ZTE, etc. Or want to learn how to build private 4G, 5G networks? Then this course is just for you. In this course, you will learn in detail the most technical aspects of building end-to-end 4G and 5G systems, including E0B, G0B, UE, and EPC/5GC. Private networks, no matter who you ask, have transitioned from lab choice to a multi-billion-dollar industry. Open source too has left the lab, and solutions from the likes of such as Red Hat, OpenStack, ORAN Alliance, and Telecom Infra Project are a growing presence in operators' networks globally. As the footprint of open source grows and network operators see the benefits of deploying open source, the industry is responding by developing open source solutions, moving up the stack. Now, with the introduction of the Magma project, open source is moving into complex network functions like the core of the 4G 5G mobile networks. Dumping gas on the open and private network fire, the FCC has made available commercially deployable CBR spectrum that we see taking off in the recent auction, and as Spectrum Access Systems SAS go live. With its three-tier access, CBRS means anyone can get a meaningful chunk of airwaves with 25 times or more the power of most Wi-Fi networks to deliver high-quality wireless services. In light of these changes, in this version of the Build Your Own Network how-to, I will move our charger from a lab network to a commercial-grade LTE network deployable. Let's get started. The content of the course is listed below. In part 1, Introduction to Open RAN, this includes what is Open RAN, why do we need it, understanding the classical and distributed RAN, equipment from traditional vendors, BBU and boards, CRAN or centralized RAN, VRAN or virtual RAN, and evolution towards the Open RAN. Part 2, Open RAN groups and the ecosystem. This includes the Open RAN groups and the initiatives, Telecom Infra Project, ORAN Alliance, Open RAN players and ecosystem, and Open RAN trials and deployments. Part 3 includes a deep dive into the ORAN architecture, which includes RU-CU-DU split, ORAN architecture, service management and orchestration framework (SMO), RAN Intelligent Controller (RIC), XApps, RApps, AI and ML, OCloud, OCU, ODU, ORU, relevant interfaces in ORAN architecture. Part 4 includes the Open ORAN split options, which has 8 options, and this includes the different RAN split options, which option split to consider, relevant interfaces into the ORAN architecture, and security issues. Part 5 includes the use cases and scenarios, different companies with different cases, real-life examples using ORAN, relevant success stories, recommendations and suggestions. After completing and watching all the lecture videos of the course, you will be able to get a professional certificate of completion. So we are very excited to have you on board.